Wow. No, I'm standing on a point where this is a protruding port, no, of the castle, part of the castle, overlooking River Danube. So the wind is very strong, no? Malakas. Wow. Ganda. Super lamig. 3 o'clock but super lamig. This was parang entry ng castle, but I heard napasok din ng mga Ottomans to. Despite na pataas to, grabe, pakyat to. Mahirap pasukin to even if you have siguro how many? 50,000 troops against 10,000 sa taas. Lamang pa rin sa taas, no? But just sharing yung ano to, panoramic view of River Danube, no? We're in Hungary. It's a site seldom traveled by most Filipinos, but maganda. It's not very expensive, but you have a lot of sites and destinations. Kayo, kunan kayo ng picture, raise your hands. Ang ganda dito, punta kayo dito. Pwede kayong bumaba. Easy lang naman. Very good. Ang yung location is maganda. Yun yung castle sa taas. Lapit lang, ho. Dito na. Baba na lang, dito na. Few steps lang, mga 20-30 steps. Very near lang. Baba na kayo. Baba na kayo. Here. Very near. Iba yung view dito. Ang ganda. We're going down.